Okay. I'm embarrassed with you. Get out.
Se menea la cadera, se menea la cadera. Y ahora me plancha los dos por igual. Pidi paporido, pidodo, pidi, pidi papidodo, pidodo, pidi, pidi papidodo, pidodo, pidi, pidi papidodo.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jackeline Flores, and this is my husband, Juan. So for today's video, we are going to try some snacks from our Yum Yum box subscription. So this month's Yum Yum box subscription is from Ukraine.
Sure, let me show it first.
Bruh.
So in this box, they send you a little map of the country, some cities of interest, and some little facts. On the back, there's like some little games and like a reward system to see which one was the best and the worst. And also comes with this little booklet of sorts. Comes with like more facts and geological stuff, trivia questions, facts about the snacks we're getting today and sorts. Just a fun little booklet.
Alright, and we haven't ate since like the morning, so we're kind of hungry right now. So let's just get this video started.
So the first one is cajot. I think that's what they call it. It's bacon and mustard flavored corn sticks. Ham and mustard flavored corn puffs. On the back it has the ingredients in English and both Ukrainian.
So we got some drinks here just to better swallow the food. So this is what they look like right now, the packaging of that.
We're about to open a bag of Ukraine.
Woo! Do you see?
Smells like a slaughterhouse.
Ugh. They smell like a farmhouse or like some.
Has like a good first taste, but the aftertaste is kind of bitter. Kind of tastes like a turkey, one of those freaking Lunchables.
Doesn't like that. Huele como agua de weenies. That's what it smells like. Hot dog water. Ugh.
It's probably because you don't like mustard.
Yeah, I didn't realize this had mustard in it.
Okay, so next up are these potato fries looking snacks called Potato Boom. Original sticks with veal and ajika flavor. Corn sticks with potato, veal, and ajika flavor. I don't know what ajika is. Probably some spice from Ukraine. Whew. Smells like chutney.
They smell better. Like some sort of meat. Honestly, it's like some flavored meat.
Kind of tastes like barbecue. Like barbecue, huh?
I don't know.
It tastes like barbecue to me.
They're good though. What do you think?
It's not too bad. I think I prefer the ham and mustard sticks.
Ew. I prefer these better. So they were good for me. I'd get a yes. The first ones, didn't like them.
I prefer the mustard sticks.
But then again, I do hate mustard, so.
Roshan milk chocolate. Gold packaging. It looks like this, kind of like caramel bits. It does have caramel inside.
I want to show it though. Look at this.
Tastes like American chocolate. American caramel too.
It kind of tastes like those cheap Valentine's chocolate boxes, whatever. Still good. I mean, we still buy them and eat them either way, but kind of has that taste in it.
With the strawberry chocolate and all that.
That's good.
Not too bad. All right, next up is another of those potato booms, but this one's with onion flavor. Original sticks with onion flavor. Pretty much the same as the other one, without the achka. Yeah, it smells like those Lay's sour cream and onion.
Same flavor too.
Pretty much. Not too bad.
I like these.
We have this golden chips potato with broth jelly and horseradish flavor. Potato chips. It's kind of sweet.
I kind of have that mustard flavor still in my mouth though. I'm like,
Tastes like,
these are good. I like them.
it's like familiar.
The texture of it is like those Pringles,
There you go.
the Pringle chips.
But it says it's meat jelly and horseradish, but it tastes more sweet.
I don't taste them sweet though.
I do.
It tastes them kind of like salty, vinegary.
So now we have another chocolate, dark chocolate. Caramel cinnamon. Oh, look at that dark chocolate.
They like just come out to look at, like they're not even stuck together.
The caramel's not even gooey. I taste the cinnamon though.
These are bomb.
Okay. So next up we have Slosty waffle curds. Wafers with cheese curd and chocolate flavored filling. Now I love wafers, so that's very good. Smells like any other.
Oh dang, they're like
That.
chunky.
A brick. Wow.
They're good, but just thinking and knowing it has cheese curd, I'm like, do I like it? Do I think it's nasty? It's okay. He likes them though.
So next up is Kai Bip. Caramelized peanuts with puffed rice bar. Complete Ukrainian letters and numbers. This looks familiar. I think they have something like this in Mex.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Yeah.
It's like one of those peanut glazed bars. It's literally what it is, a peanut glazed bar. With salt in it, maybe.
Reminds me of the Payday candy bar. So next we have these golden potato chips, the dill and sour cream flavored. It's probably gonna be like those potato skins. So having those flaky looking chips.
Holy crap.
Whoa. Okay. Yep. I think I taste the onion more in this one.
Tastes like sopa. It tastes like the chicken flavored sopa maruchan.
A little bit, yeah.
Oh, dill and sour cream.
Oh, that's what I taste. The pickle right there.
Yeah.
I don't like pickles.
I like pickles now.
Alright, so next up we have one of those Peppermint bars again, but this is creamy soft toffee squares.
Is toffee supposed to be like a caramel coffee flavor thing?
I don't know. Tastes kind of like butterscotch. Nah, it's so.
I don't like how it goes in my mouth. The flavor of it's good though. I just don't like how it goes in my mouth.
So second to last is this huge old dark chocolate with candied fruits. Kind of looks like a, what do they call it? Peppermint bark. Looks like one of those gancitos.
Gancitos? You know what a gancito is, right?
Yeah. They plastered their logo on each little bar. Showed. It's probably dried up fruit, is what they said.
I can't bite it.
The dark chocolate is ass. It's too strong.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
I like dark chocolate, but this shit is dark.
Like
the flavor is so strong.
like black coffee strong. So the last little bag we have now is the Yum bag. I think it's the company Yum Yum just puts like little candies from whatever month country you get into like their one little bag. So Ukrainian candies. So this is what we got. Here's a ladybug looking one. Roshen, that company again. It's like one of those, what do they call it? The Krabby Patty little gummies or whatever. Remember those?
Okay, this one's a Minke Binky, and it has like an orange on it, so I'm guessing it's gonna be an orange flavored type of candy. And it says filled with toffee.
Oh shit. The inside has like the goo from like, what are those bursting ones from by the foot?
Gushers.
Gushers.
This one's toffee. It has toffee around the outside of it, but the inside it has like a type of jelly orange flavor thingy. It's okay. Not my favorite.
This one says some not Russian, Ukrainian letters, but it's Roshan again. It's pink. It looks one of like those cough drops. A pink cough drop.
It's like one of those cheap ass candies from like Dollar Tree and shit.
Whoa.
What? strong or what?
That taste is ass.
Really? It's not good?
Well, the first taste is like strong, but now it's kind of like getting bitter.
I'm like, I don't want to try these, but then it wouldn't be like a
Is it the same
tasting. Is it?
Mm-hmm.
You over exaggerated. Like I said, it does kind of taste like one of those cheap ass candies that you would get from Dollar Tree, but
No, from Winkle, those strawberry ones that every grandma has. Not too bad.
okay, so these were all the snacks that we got from our Yum Yum box. So if you guys want to purchase your guys' Yum Yum box, just go to you go to universalyums.com and it's a subscription. What do you think about them? What do you think about their food? It's a half and half for me. I'm not sure if there's some other foods that I did like, some of the snacks that I did like. Some of them I'm like, no, especially like the corn dog one thingy. Those were nasty. They were nasty. But like these onion potato fries and like the flaky type of chip thingies that we were eating, those were good. Their dark chocolate cinnamon was good too. And those were personally my favorite. What was your favorite?
This peanut with caramel was my favorite. And I think that's it. I mean, some of these chips were alright. Oh, of course. Here we go. These are the best.
So go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go follow me on my social media platforms. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Alexa, play Dancing by Aaron Smith. Alexa.
Dancing.
Oh.